MRVL stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Marvell technology has been sitting at $120.89, and that is 10% up for the day. So where the heck are we heading next? First things first that I'll say is that this seems like it's on top of the world, and I'll definitely give props to it. My previous boss was obviously trying to long this like I did previously here. Here's the proof. I was also like, I had this waiting sign here where, well, yeah, the price was here, and if I saw the double break, this would have been like something that I would have bought, but it went down and then went up. Sadly, I was not a part of this because it was just gappy. And now let's update the video and see where we are by making it more clear. So we saw this break. That's phenomenal. Now we have these highs. Totally not going to buy at the top. Why? Because again, I've done this 32,000 times. You know, from my personal experience, I've never made money there. I mean, made some money, but like in the long scheme of things, you know. The only thing that I'll get involved in this, like as from a buy, I want to see like a deeper pullbacks. And this is just me speaking, you know, like obviously do your own due diligence. I'm just speaking what I've figured out. 4 years, you know. So if you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter. Click the first link in the description.